5 seconds. On behalf of the returned candidate, on the other hand, it was asserted that since the notification dated 27/11/1995 issued by the High Court itself provided that though the High Court was to remain closed for civil business during the summer vacations, it was to remain open for the purpose of hearing an election petition. Therefore, Section 10 of the General Clauses Act was not attracted. Reliance in support of the submission was placed on the judgment of this court in Satbir versus Srimati Parsani Devi and others 1987-73 election law report 201, wherein a three-judge bench of this court had considered a notification issued by the Punjab and Haryana High Court on 20th November 1981 in almost identical terms and held that since for the purpose of hearing of election petitions and filing of others matters under the Representation of the People Act, the notification had provided an expect benefit of Section 10 of the General Clauses Act was not available to an election petitioner to file the election petition on the next day following the summer vacations. The rules and orders of the Punjab and Haryana High Court do not settle the calendar of summer vacations. It is an admitted case of the parties that settlement of summer vacations is done by issuance of a notification which contains all matters connected therewith. The Punjab and Haryana High Court had, as in the previous years, issued a notification on 27/11/1995 settling the summer vacations and providing therein the manner in which the High Court would function during the summer vacations. Whether the benefit of Section 10 of the General Clauses Act can be availed of to save the period of limitation in the present case would therefore depend upon the terms of the notification issued by the Punjab and Haryana High Court on 27/11/1995. That notification inter alia provides it is hereby notified for general information that the Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh will be closed for civil business except for hearing election petitions or any other matter arising out of the Representation of People Act 1951, urgent civil appeals, petitions, etc., including petitions under Article 226 of the Constitution of India on account of long vacations in the year 1996 from June 1st to June 30, 1996, both days inclusive. The court will resume sitting on July 1, 1996, Monday.